so today we are back with another episode, and today we are at our model train exhibition. We are just walking around looking through the different trains.
He's all stopped.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
There we go. It's moving. There is so many stuff that we could buy here. There is. Hold on, wait. I want to see the size of that. Oh my god! Look at these trains. Going. There is I don't even want to really
I'll take a photo of you. Alright, hello everybody.
Yay!
So Sebastian, talk us through what you're buying.
Well, I'm buying some coaches in Pullman liveries. They're not actual Pullmans, they just have their liveries.
Well, that's really cool. How many are you getting?
3.
3? What?
You were the one who made the decision, Dad.
Well, has it been a good day so far?
Yes, I'm disappointed that we couldn't get a British engine.
Well, they are very expensive, aren't they?
Hey, the only one that we found, I am not telling you the price.
Yeah, well, you got to think how lucky we are then that Grandpa's going to let us play with his, right?
Eventually.
Yeah. So Seb, we've just been to the railway exhibition. What are your thoughts?
It was wonderful.
Yeah, what was your favourite part?
Well, we got our trains. We got a new collection of trains.
Good trains in here, mate.
Great train.
And yes, I'm happy.
Dad's happy too. What was your favourite layout where they had all the different collections of trains going around the tracks?
Well, I must admit, I was more in the one that the Thomas and Friends characters were on.
Yeah, you like that one, did you?
Just stumbling
I really liked the one with the huge bridge and the really long. It was like a bridge out of Back to the Future.
Yeah.
It looked like we needed to blow it up.
Wait, didn't they never blow that up?
Oh no, it wasn't created, was it? It wasn't finished. Alright, well, this is Seb and Dad signing out from the Model Railway Exhibition for 2022. Woohoo!